It's becoming more and more common that insurance companies request a copy of your subcontractor agreement before they'll quote or issue coverage on a general liability policy. I'm going to explain the reasons why the insurance company requests copies of the agreement and why it's crucial that you have executed sub-agreements with all contractors that you bring on your projects. Stay tuned. Thank you for joining me in today's video. My name is Mike. I'm the president of Fusco Intercini Insurance Services in San Diego, California. I'm going to explain to you today the reasons why general liability carriers are asking more and more to see copies of your sub-agreements before they'll quote or issue a policy. I think it's crucial that you understand the reasons. I'm going to point out some important documents that are going to explain to you why you have to have these on file. And I'm also going to show you some offerings that we can help with in the event that you don't have proper sub-agreements in place. If you take a look at my screen, I'm going to go through a couple documents with you. This is a particular endorsement that I want to point out that more and more carriers are adopting this type of language on their policies to make sure that they're protected and have the proper avenues to subrogate or collect against the subcontractor's insurance should the subcontractor cause bodily injury or property damage on your job. So this is called a subcontractor warranty endorsement. And they want to make sure that you have proper subcontractor agreements in place with hold harmless and indemnification language. This particular carrier stipulates the limits of coverage that your subcontractor needs to carry. So basically this states that my client is responsible to retain the first $10,000 of the loss before this insurance policy will kick in. Some other insurance companies aren't as lenient. They'll just flat out exclude coverage. So we want to make sure that none of our clients get in these situations. And I want to show you a couple ways that we can help. We have a risk management portal here that we offer our clients. This is one of the documents that is inside the portal. Whether you're a general contractor or a subcontractor and you don't have a proper sub-agreement in place, I can send this to you. There is some sections of this that you're going to have to customize. You'll see it all marked here in red that we're happy to send over to you that you can adopt as part of your contract. You can even send it to your attorney to make sure there's nothing they want to add. And we're happy to take it and send it to your insurance company to make sure that they approve of it. So we know that if a loss were to occur, you're not going to have any issues because of your sub-agreement. One of the nice things about the general liability companies asking for this information up front is that the underwriter is going to ask for it and they're going to look at it and tell us whether the language is acceptable or not. So it's almost like another set of eyes on the document to make sure that we have everything in order. I'm not going to talk about the certificates and additional insureds in this particular video, but I will have a follow-up video. If you want me to look at your particular policy and pull out the subcontractor warranty endorsement, I'm happy to do so. You can call me directly. My phone number is 858-384-1507 and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm going to be putting out lots of content and helpful information. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Feel free to reach me if you need any help. Reach your insurance broker if you need any help. We're happy to do what we can for you.